What's going on, everybody? Happy hump day. See if we can find some actual trades this morning. Hood kind of taking off here in the morning. Just a crazy run yesterday. I mean, looking at the let's look at the 60-minute. Just what a crazy IPO for this thing. Kind of interesting. I actually thought it was going to go quite the opposite, but little did I know, and that's exactly why you don't form biases in the market. You trade what the chart tells you. Other than that, I'll just be using the scanners today. I don't really have anything else to look at. We're not doing any of the special stuff just yet, as far as like playing hangovers and whatnot. So going to be looking for some moves here today, and hopefully we're not just sitting on our hands all day. Yesterday kind of sucked. We did get some trades in the afternoon. I think a lot of that was kind of FOMO. We did end up trading pretty much out of a position on, I can't even remember the ticker. Let's see. It was semi. That's right. So we got in on this move here. And as you can see, we actually had a pretty good entry. We were up here right under 350 was our first entry. We added into this, and we just couldn't get that. We could have been out green several times. We had our average at 356 was our average. So we had plenty of chances to get out, but we were really looking for that big under 50 push. We did take a lot of our position out on this. I can actually, let me show you the chart real quick. If you're in the Discord, you would have had seen this, but let's see. Let's go full screen real quick. So here's the trade. Got in under 350, added on the other side of 350. We were pretty small because it was the afternoon, and then this was actually a 1-1-2. I don't know why it actually split this one into two orders. I guess because it popped pretty quickly. So it was a 1-1-2, and as I said, our average was at 356. We actually took the first part off for basically break even because it was like 356 and some change, and we ended up I think getting 357, and so it was literally like a 72-cent loss or something for most of our shares. But then it came down. We actually took some off, very small green. Once we realized it did not want to break through 50. This one that we took off was actually after it tried to go through 350 and came back up through because we realized it didn't want to break through. And then this was when we really realized, okay, it doesn't want to. Came up, tested high of day, came back down. So I thought, okay, this was a fake out. It literally double topped. So we added back in these last shares that we took off, looking for it to finally break down and give us that 350 push down through, maybe to VWAP or this previous resistance here. But as you can see, that was a fake out and ended up going high of day, so we cut the whole thing. And then we actually ended up getting back in. Let me find that one on the back side here. And this was the range order we had in. It ended up hitting our stop up here, but as you can see, it was a fake out breakout. It tried to go back up the high of day, and once I realized it failed to break that previous high over here, not even this high, that we actually got back in on this coming down. So that was us realizing, okay, it failed 370, it's starting to come back down, let's jump in. And sure enough, we were right. We did get that under 350 test like we were looking for. Took off half the position. Actually, I think it was 60% of the position because I think we only took 50 shares here. And we took 30 of them off. And we kept 20, looking for this to come all the way back down here. We had our order sitting right down here, looking for this break originally. But then I was like, all right, it's most likely the way it's trading, going to try to find some support here. So that was where we ended up moving our order to, and it ended up not even getting down there. So it ended up coming up and tapping us out and trying to go higher. So a little frustrating. I actually think it ended up doing this, and then it ended up working. So it was a little frustrating on our end that's what happened, but it is what it is. I wasn't about to let that go back against us and try high of day. What the heck is that? What was that? I have never heard that sound before in my life. Thomas, good morning. Jag, good morning. Legend, not sure what that means, what you said, but good morning. And Oh wait, was that the new members thing? What that was a different kind of alert. Did it pop up? Because I see it says new members over on the thing, but I was on the full screen thing. I'm wondering if now you're gonna make me go check. Let's see. I'm sorry for missing it. I was literally looking up at my browser like, where is that coming from? Because I had never heard that sound before. Oh, it's DM. It says he rejoined. I wonder if that's why. But DM was already on there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have 11 people. Yeah, let me see. Text. Yeah, I got DM in there already. Okay. Well, thank you, DM, for rejoining. That was much appreciated. I guess that's what that noise was. I've never heard that noise before. All right, let's get the chart up there. Yeah, yesterday we ended up winning like $1 something, but we were probably right after we were definitely right after commissions. And the other trade on CDXC was just a penny stock. I can show you guys real quick before the bell, and we'll jump into the room with the guys. But yeah, here was the CDXC trade. It was literally for pennies. Just took 100 shares, took it off there. I think we made $6. But we ended up down after both of those trades. I think we lost $10 on the first trade on semi, and then made back like 5 and some change. So we were down like 4 and some change, and then we made 6 on CXDC. So we were up like $1 and some change. So it was a very frustrating trade because we could have made pretty decent money on semi had it worked, but it just did not want to work. It just kept getting to that 50 area and rejecting and kept trying to go higher. So, all right, let's jump into the hangout.
Yeah, I'm freaking done.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
You're
down under 20. Is it 28 now? Damn.
Is it really? I was looking at 33 to short it.
Why wasn't Dekmar on all fours in that picture?
Well, he wasn't feeling frisky.
What, he doesn't want to, he doesn't feel frisky parking a loaner in front of a loaner? Nah, that's probably all his, but it's,
Yeah, right.
it's probably all his when his parents die.
The house in the car? Yeah, if you look in at that picture, that's like Vesh. I mean, you should be yourself offended by his landscaping.
Yeah, I mean, it's not that bad, but it ain't great. I've seen worse.
I'm sure you've seen worse, but you haven't seen worse on quote unquote multi-million
Ding dong, bitches, ding dong.
Yeah, that's true. Although that house could be a $500,000 house depending on where you're at.
Look at Hood.
Did you get it?
Nope. Oh, I should have got it. I can't trade that 1 minute bar, dude.
Why are my scanners not?
I literally had it up. I'm staring at it.
INO. If you have shorts.
I don't know. I don't know either.
Halting down.
Oh, Hood, man, that's garbage. Oh, Lord
they were muted for some reason.
EYSI halted down.
There they are.
Hood is going straight up.
Should probably turn them down a little bit though.
AGFY. If you have shorts.
Yeah, that's the one I'm looking at.
We have shorts on Jack, bro.
I know.
Oh, I have shorts on Hood. BTBT. If you got shorts on BTBT, this might be fun, but it also might be the breakout. Just a warning.
There's
Holy crap.
Also. Not as big.
I'm all over the place, dude.
Order partially filled.
Off, man. I'm waiting a second.
AGFY.
Yeah, my sound is like really loud today. Let me just turn it down this way.
do have shorts on BTBT.
Order filled.
Oh my god.
All out
look
of
at Hood,
AGFY.
bro. Look at Hood.
Yep.
Dollar.
Holy crap.
Yup.
Nice one,
Ooh,
guys.
you got way better entry than I did.
BTBT.
Yeah, I hit the ask.
I was way good running around.
I would not have traded that. Arth. Oh,
BTBT up through 11 would be nice.
Looking through 11 there.
Oh well, I missed Hood. Or did I?
Tall
not.
huge co.
Oh crap.
Plenty TB row.
Oh my.
Though asterisk.
See, EJH never really rebounded.
No. No, it dropped and then went back up, so I don't know what it's doing now. But...
It's just chilling.
Oh man. Hood didn't fill me.
Dang, AGFY gonna give it all back. Damn, stick it to me. You get that, Thomas?
Get what?
AGFY just gave it all back.
AQST earnings.
No, I got a piece of it, but not that.
I was hoping you still had leftovers or something.
Colin May.
Negative.
Watching Tau through 650 TAL.
Locate and took too long.
At the bell, always take a little bit less shares. Looking for a bigger
BTBT dollar
push.
on way.
I was really hoping for like 666 or something up there, not just that little weak. weak push.
NVST LOL. Sketch.
What the? Looks like earnings.
Earnings there too.
Yeah, it was earnings. Okay, that's what I figured. Yeah, BTBT up through yesterday's high is what we would have been looking for. Yeah, I wanted a bigger push through 650 there. It's a bigger company. 4 bill market cap.
Yeah.
I figured it would be hard for it to push, but I was hoping it would.
Think?
Now I hope it dies, unless you're long, and then I hope it soars.
No, I'm short.
Die!
Trade.
I would assume you'll at least get the pullback to that 630 area where that previous
AGFY
resistance
out
is.
all. Up earnings for what it's worth.
Of course, Brian got all of
ARCT
that.
out all.
Hood just
That
went
was a close
straight
one.
the F up today. I could not find
Another penny stock, right? Yeah.
my trade in that.
Core earnings.
That was close.
Yeah. Still hard to find entry in Hood.
Yeah, something just goes straight the F up.
I put a short order in at 63.50, and fortunately, E-Trade did not find shares.
I don't think there are shares, bro.
Oh, they said they were hard to borrow.
Only been on the market for 5 days.
UISI.
I saw him the other day on IB.
Hood comes and goes. We've been getting share. Like if you keep it up, yeah, they come and go.
I wouldn't want to
No,
short
I
that,
can't.
man.
Yesterday we had, I think the start of the day we had like 90K.
That's what probably caused the squeeze.
90K. I don't think it was just 90K. I mean, I'm sure it didn't help.
And I'm sure you guys aren't the only ones that got some shorts on it.
Oh yeah.
LMRK earnings.
IB ain't the only broker in town.
What's your average on Tal?
34.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, you got in early. Damn.
Jeez.
Just covered some.
Ay, ay, ay.
Damn. When did you start that? Let me guess, at the double top, like an idiot.
Damn.
I mean, I can only tell you not to play those so many times, you know?
I'm Vesh. I know everything.
Damn right, motherfucker.
We were making fun of you this morning, saying the same shit you just said, which is hilarious. I'm Vesh. I'm the best at sports. I'm the best at trading. I know what I'm doing in every aspect of life.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah, I'm good at judging other people, except for myself.
I'm very good at being judgmental.
There goes BTBT, by the way.
I earned my bachelor's in judgment. BTBT's at breakout levels on this.
Here, Jag, you should get in BTBT right here. It's double topping.
Jag, you should totally just fly to Maryland and beat the shit out of Ash.
I would accept it. I would accept it.
Like, I deserve it.
When's Hood coming out? Let's see what Hood's doing.
I actually did double top.
65.60.
Holy crap, Hood's at 65.60?
Yeah. Thing went crazy.
Holy smokes, what the?
They went up what, $11 in just since open.
Yeesh.
What did that IPO at? What, $18? Did IPO that?
No, 30 something. 34, 35.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was 30 something.
Opened at 38.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
No, trades.
11.20 plus
Damn.
BTBT.
I can't trade this.
PLS. Carrot.
That price for a $53 billion company.
Hey, well, I got out of PAL at the right time, so that's good.
Oh, you can get in again.
No, I got out. No, totally, because it went up where I got out. Finally.
I feel like I want to start this a
Yeah,
little bit.
BTBT.
Yeah, still going.
Order filled.
Oh, I was about to drag it up.
I gotta say, this market started a lot better than the last morning.
Honestly, dude, it kind of caught me off guard, and I haven't done anything with it.
Yeah,
I'm like, oh my god,
should have
look at
dragged
all
that
this
up,
moving,
but
whoa.
we'll see. What did we get, 13?
BTBT.
And there was a lot going.
Yeah, it's a little much for what we've been dealing with. I just wasn't.
Look at FLGC.
Kind of looking for this scalp here, assuming that it might want to go higher.
Oh yeah.
Just hoping we get the 11
A high a day.
through 11 tests again here.
High even a pre-market, and then just died.
Just trying.
Over $1.
Yeah, the fact that it opened up kind of where it did.
There it goes, there it goes. There it goes.
Looks like BYSI is going to halt up. This
Stupid
time.
spread. At 11. There we go. All out of BTBT.
Back down to $27.
Dollar.
Lord, man.
It's open. And it's higher. It's almost at 7. It's over 70. 71.
Robin Hood, man.
74.
I ain't touching that, bro.
What the F? Dude, that's going over 100.
Everybody that
That's-
lost on GME and AMC shorted Hood.
And now the hedgies are getting their money back.
Dollar. EXPI earnings for what it's worth.
Man.
I wish I would have went with the 100 shares like I was supposed to. I really felt like that could go. I was looking at the daily, and it has a lot of room through this 1120 area. It didn't halt. Holy crap.
Reddit's taking Hood to 150.
Wowzers.
That's going to halt here.
Why would they support Hood though? Like, why would they want to do this? Like as a joke? Just to make it a joke?
Well, no, maybe to make some of their money back.
It's just very weird.
Did you say you got in, Devin?
People believe it's a $100
Bob
stock.
Dixie.
Yes.
Well, it's just they literally Reddit was literally Wall Street Bets, I should say, not Reddit, but Wall Street Bets was literally like anti Robinhood, and I'm assuming they still are. So it really, I don't know. I'd have to hear the bigger picture there. I mean, I guess if it is just to make money and use them as a meme to say, haha, we can pump any stock kind of thing, but I don't know.
I think they really care about the companies. It's not like they really want to support GME either. They just want to make money. No trades for me, man. I'm kind of waiting for things to chill.
Freaking 1.5 quota right now. So 2 trades.
Nice.
Nice, man.
I have not lost any money. Yeah.
There you go.
CERS Big Co earnings.
I wasn't ready for insane
But watching.
volume, dude. Honestly, I just wasn't ready for that. Yeah, we haven't had volume in so long, and then all of a sudden there's just insanity in the market. I was like, nope.
Yeah, no, that was a little bit frustrating there. You know, it's like, what's going on? What is all this?
Fine for me, it was just sit on my hands. I'm not jumping into something going straight up in the first minute. No, I'm not doing it.
People decided to go for work today. Like, oh, we got
There
extra
you
money.
go.
Let's throw it at something.
Let's go to work today.
They funded stock dartboard, and this is what they ended up with: BYSI and Hood. Let's see what we can do with these guys today.
Straight up.
I'm gonna leave that one up.
Well, BYSI is not straight up.
It wasn't pre-market.
Yeah. They're like, oh wait, we forgot about Hood.
The thing with Hood though is I don't think there's enough short. Like I don't feel like there was enough people to short squeeze in this.
TIGR up.
Like how many people could have been short? That's what I'm saying. And I don't think this is necessarily a short squeeze.
I'm sure there are some people short in it too, but
What was that, Jag?
WHLR, you have shorts on it? It's salted, but salted up like 50
Negative.
No.
ooh, MOXC, the next one to go straight down apparently.
Well, I guess so. It had its time.
Its time is over.
Watching TIGR, TIGR.
Yeah, that looks like starting to extend a bit.
Yeah, I'd like to see a bigger move here through 18. Say, since I've pulled it up, it feels a little choppy.
Yeah, I definitely wasn't ready for this day.
Where's this going? 1870.
BYSI opened. And it went down.
Yes, it did. It went down a lot. Did it halt again?
Yeah, damn. This is to me. This is crazy.
$4, right? $3. No, that's probably $4. How much did that drop?
I enjoy momentum. I'm not so much for insanity.
Order filled.
That's crazy.
TIGR.
Hood should be opening shortly.
PACB.
Nicola's going straight up. And that ain't a vegetable ever.
I want to go farther. Get some more volume into it.
Hood's open.
BYSI down. All right. Hood open. I can't do anything with this
Holy
hood.
moly.
I told you it's going to 100.
Got $3. It had a $3 spread there. That was a $3 spread.
Someone bought it too.
There was legitimately a $3 spread.
Says he can't handle $3 spread.
I can't.
Carrot.
I cannot handle $3 spreads. That's a little out of my comfort zone.
Oh, that $84 guy.
I'll take it if it gives it to us.
TIGR.
Order filled.
All out of TIGR.
$.
Excellent, Tim.
Yeah, Tim's having a good day. I'm having a bad day so far. That's normal.
3 trades in 17 minutes. He's on fire.
What, dude? This is insane. I don't even need another cup of coffee. I'm jittery.
Love it. I'm feeling frisky.
Rough.
I was expecting Thomas to do that.
2 times quota, baby.
Hell yeah, good stuff. You must have started that one a little early then, huh?
No. On TIGR, I got 33.
Yo. Get off my entries, bro. Stop following. What'd I tell you about following?
Dude, I can't help it. We see the same thing.
We did.
Aw.
It was ask, and then finally they started hitting the bid, and I was like, click. 33.
BTBT going again. High day.
Yep, that's why I kept that one up, so I could watch it. Good call.
BTBT bonus round.
Through 1150 there, but
So BTBT has room to 14 on the daily, so that's kind of, I'm looking for a decent run here. I mean, I'll probably start it up near 12 here if it through 1150, but just to let you know, it does have room. Whoa, hood. What the fuck?
Yeah. That happened.
Both ways. Both ways.
That happened.
TIGR was not an A+ setup, by the way. I mean, the extension was undeniable. We had the line there that we were shooting for, but we were waiting for it, but it clearly ran into some resistance there. So that was why we got in. Just front running that whole dollar. I did not like how it was trading. It was a little slow for me.
Carrot 11.60 for me. Thinking more like 185 myself. 11.85. Daily shows room to 13.75 area.
I'll be a little bit more careful with this one too now, because it does have room. See if we can get that spike that I'm assuming is what I was looking for. Nope, not yet anyway. See if it holds 50. Nah. So if you, yeah, I really wanted more out of it. I really think, like, if this does work right here, you're only going to get that 1130 area. But I still think this has more. I think people are going to try to push this thing. It's getting a little crowded.
BYSI is open.
Or it just works. But I mean, look at what you're at half the move right here at 42. That's just not enough for me. That wasn't enough meat on the bone.
BYSI, low a day. Hey, Ryan. How you doing? How's EJH doing? Is it down another 60% today?
It's chilling where it closed.
Right around what?
Oh, it's actually down again, down 7%.
732.
Yeah. Telling you, if it gets to $1, I'm game. Oh, here we go, BTBT. Yeah, Thomas, I told you I didn't think that wasn't a big enough move, unless you were looking to scalp it there. I think towards 12 would
TIGR
be
leftovers stop B/E.
the real move. Hood's back open. Buy the dip. It's right at the 9. Buy it. Oh, you should have bought it. Who bought it? Who bought the dip?
Not I, said the scaredy cat.
Okay, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Don't buy the dip. No, don't do it. Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it.
That's an indicator. It's delayed.
Oh, no. I'm going to be getting
TIGR
sued now.
leftovers on trail.
Ooh, TIGR with the dumpy dump.
Logwood and TB.
Yeah.
It's all good, though, because it did try to go higher. I always say it. Intense move into the pullback. What it does after that, nobody fucking knows.
Yeah, but you should have been on leftovers. We both.
Starters.
I
Starters.
ditched my leftovers.
Okay, yeah, I could go with that too. Started, took full position, but I left leftovers and let it come back and get me.
It looked like it
Oh,
was
you had leftovers on that one? And it took you out? So you top ticked the leftovers, essentially?
No, I chased my freaking. So I took profit, and then instead of putting that break even, I lowered it just 5 cents or so below my break even point. Still be green on my leftovers, right? And it jumped up and got me.
I always say, like, when you look at most of my charts, my cover arrow is usually right at the bottom of that pullback. So I can't really complain because, like, looking at TIGR, if anyone on stream is watching, you can see, it tried to bounce. That could have easily went high of day and kept running, but it bounced just a little bit and failed. Like I always say,
BTBT
intense move
$.
into the pullback is the predictable move. Yeah, I'm a little sad about BTBT. I really wanted more out of it, though. Knowing the move it could have made, and it just didn't make it. I'll just have to live with missing that one. Should we take some guesses on where Hood's going to end up at the end of the day?
58.
58? I'm going to go with 77. I think it's going to try to run again, but then it'll go a little higher, but then I think it'll fail. Look at it. I see. See if I can make the run I wanted it to make before. Now I'd want it up through 12, honestly. Like 12.20.
BTBT 12.20 please.
I feel like I'm going to be either right or like way wrong on Hood. Like it'll finish like under yesterday's high. Like down under 40, 48. Because there's a lot of people underwater right now from all the way up there at 85. I wish we had more brave individuals post on Twitter with their top ticks like the wrong way. Like, yeah, I bought at 85. I was that guy. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Too much of a fight, man. There we go. Come on.
TIGR out all.
Yeah, so far I'm really wrong. I'm sure it'll find a support somewhere and they'll try to make it go higher. Yeah, BTBT, man, it's just too much of a fight. No squeeze, no FOMO pop, just fight.
What you watching over there, D?
Wonder if he's in something. Hasn't talked in a while.
BTBT at 84. Or hood, whatever wrong with stock.
It's funny because you could have been right there. It could have been 1184. That's what I thought you were being funny. But I mean, you were being funny. But either one would have been basically a top tick.
I'm thinking of looking at the different stock.
Mad Ass said he made 113,000 on Hood.
On that, I guess, on that washout from the halt, that'd be the only logical explanation.
He shorted 12,500 shares from 76.97.
Jesus.
Interesting. I guess on the pop and fail there. What's he call that? The bag holder short, I think is what he calls it. I think his quote unquote bag holder short is essentially like sloppy seconds, is what we've been calling sloppy seconds. Just that bounce to try to get up to the highs and it fails, and then
Kuhn on earnings, FYI.
He just assumes everyone's bag holding at that point, which I mean they are. He's not wrong. Wasn't ONE like a $6 stock? I feel like I've traded this before. Holy crap, it was.
Which one?
ONE 1. It wasn't even that long ago. It's 77 cents right now. I remember trading this when it was like $5. Yeah, I don't know. Another shit company, I guess.
About 55%.
Yeah, I see it. Actually kind of interested if it wants to go up to like 90 cents right here.
I can't short under $1.
Like E-Trade, or you just won't?
No, you trade. Won't? I have no rules. What are we talking about? Won't.
Go one go.
I'll try anything. Maybe even twice.
Kuhn 4.40. CLVS earnings.
Good morning, Sammy. How are you doing?
BTBT, why don't you just turn into a damn grind?
It is. Man, look at Hood just giving it all back.
Did I miss anything?
Not really. BTBT grinding. CLVS is kind of a slow breakout. Not really. Hood just dying. Some penny stocks attempting to do stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, going to get my coffee.
Seriously interested in ONE if it wants to make a run towards $1 here. Looks like BTBT is just being stupid.
Hey guys, I had to meet the room for a second just because FOMO was kicking in, and I needed to focus on me.
Did you get anything?
But got BTBT.
CODX up.
And when you're not finding a trade and everything's moving and everybody else like yeah, you get FOMO and I'm like I gotta go, just for my own trading.
So I guess I was right at the wrong
win.
number.
I want you guys to win, but I gotta focus.
Nailed it.
I didn't find anything.
Oh, that's okay. I want it.
Nobody cares about you, Steve.
Apparently.
Got something, I'd just be like, cool.
You know, you're saying everybody found something. I didn't find anything, and
One of those moments where FOMO is kicking
actually really
in.
hurt.
Got Vesh and Thomas like another one, and I'm just like over here like, So I had
All their voices too were all gleeful.
yeah, and I'm over here like, Jesus, I'm not even in a trade yet. Son of a bitch.
Well, here, let me put it out there that yesterday is how we felt when Devin would shut his damn mouth all day.
He's got you there.
Dude, didn't mute me, bro. Do what I did. I mean,
I did. I left twice.
it's distracting you was trading, and then you should mute me.
You know,
The only difference is it wasn't distracting me. Well, no, I was gonna say the only difference is it wasn't distracting me because there was nothing to trade anyway, so it didn't really matter.
Well,
all you
shut
crybabies, shut the hell up and trade.
Yeah.
Just shut the hell up and trade. You guys are a bunch of babies.
I know, man. That's why
I've been telling you to trade all morning, Steve, and you haven't traded
AMD
once.
up.
Oh my god.
I've been trying to.
I'll be back in a little bit.
Non-ISW
Take a
Karen.
trade and
Orders out CLVS Kuan once BTBT LOL.
I've been trying to take a trade. Unfortunately, any trade I tried to take, I tried to short it. E-Trade wouldn't give me any shares.
You better call E-Trade, get him on the phone.
Hood long does not sound like a good idea.
I'm just butthurt because I couldn't get in AGFY because I'm hitting the fucking locate button.
I've been getting up every morning for this for 6 months. Just to listen to you guys.
AEO.
IU?
A Echo Oscar.
Yuck.
American Eagle. What am I missing?
Ooh, we have shorts.
It's up 20 cents.
Yeah, but it came off the bottom from 33.40.
Yeah, I want a lot of volume too.
Oh, I guess when you look at the chart, there actually is something there. So that's what the chart is for.
Keep going, I want more.
Oh.
NAOV up. CLVS in.
I guess I should have got in 65.
Yeah, me too. But I wanted more.
BTBT's up. Got BTBT up, it's trying. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, BTBT made it over 12.
Bot NAOV NTB.
Beth, did you start it?
No, I was ready up near 1220 for the retest of 12 at least, but it didn't get up there.
You're gonna get it.
Yeah, but I wanted it there on the actual 12 push.
Yeah.
Because it's already retesting 12 here now. It's just grinding, man. It's getting little pops here and there, but it's just grinding.
I'm going to take the smart play and not play that one. Might cry about it a little bit. Hope you guys don't mind too much.
BTBT 133K.
Man, you get to trade for anything.
I love messing with Devin. It's too easy.
CLVS $.
You know, one time he ain't gonna come back.
He'll always come back. BTBT, careful too. It is running out of shares.
I don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, same jig.
Order filled.
Let's go 13 BTBT.
Let me scalp it first.
Oops.
Nah, that's cool. I gotta pay attention to the shares here though. Got 23. It's looking for the quick attempt at a 12 flush here, hence we're not at 12.
AEO would have been a good one for us, Thomas.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, got the 10. 2 seconds or 2 cents there. I mean, there we go. Get through.
Order filled.
All out.
It only went up 20 shares.
You talking to me?
No.
Oh, Steve.
Steve.
It ran right into that resistance though at 3460. Like it never
You know,
pushed through really.
When I pull up a ticker, it gives me the first screen gives me the price, and that's it.
Yeah, unless you're on your phone.
The price of the move. Because I'm looking on my phone. I don't see anything other than that. I don't even see high and low until I click to the next screen. All I see it's up 20 cents.
Now.
So I apologize, but my initial reaction is,
Hello.
what are you looking at? And then when I actually look at it, I'm like, oh, look at that. It did move around.
It's a rough crowd.
BCTX up.
My apologies for that. I will try to look at a stock first before I comment on it blindly. Or maybe I won't.
I'll just tell you, go to the next page, Steve.
Zoom.
God, everyone's on their period today.
It's fantastic, man. I'm
We've
having
been
it all
hanging
this
out with
morning.
each other too long. We're all on the
I am loving this morning. All right. Let's go onto the computer. Let's see what Lukey Lou is doing, because that's always a good trade. What's this yes up to?
Sound like sarcasm.
No, I'm happy as can be. I haven't lost a dime yet.
BTBT should be thinking at least
Thomas, where'd you
12.70.
pull AEO? Did that show up on Ultrascan?
Yes, I believe.
Carrot.
It flashed. It did not alarm.
What do you put your minimum at? Your minimum intensity?
Mine's 5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 19 to 65 is 5, and 2 to 19 is 15.
Watching BCTX. I like to see it through 6, or it just works.
Yeah, I put mine at 5 on slower markets, which has been that way for a while.
I used to have mine at 10, but then I actually should put it back there again, because I only changed it to 0 again just for the stream, just so that it was populated all the time. It looked better that way.
Yeah, I've had it at 15, and there's not a whole lot to look at.
There's nothing to look at under 15. I just put it at 10 just when it's real slow. Like anything around 10, I'll just pull up just to see if it's setting up.
Like KOPN's a good example, right? Like I could be looking at this one prior.
Right, that's what I'm saying, yeah. So you could pull something like that up just to see if it's setting up. That way you're not, you know, looking at a big list. I just changed mine back to 10. I'm definitely going to keep it that way. There's really no reason to put it lower than that.
CLVS 5.40-ish would be interesting.
You should never be trading anything under 20, let alone 10.
I just like to see it start to build.
Yeah. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm just saying, I feel like anything under 10, you shouldn't really be interested in anyway. I think at 10, yeah, maybe you can start to watch it build.
FOMO push about to come into BTBT, I think.
You're in it?
Yeah.
I'm not saying this to burst your bubble or any. Oh, nice entry. BTBT's been doing this exact thing all the way up here. It just kind of grinds, small pop, grinds, small pop kind of thing.
FOMO push, bro.
I'm waiting. I've been waiting for it. Here's BCTX breaking 6. Yeah.
What did you say your average was, Devin?
1207.
Oh, that's a really good entry.
You got out where I got in. I literally got out at 1208. You probably bought my shares.
Well, thanks.
You're welcome.
They're making me money.
Really wanted more. Kind of iffy here. Might dumb the share size down a little bit.
Still holding a good chunk of this.
Well, I don't like BCTX's daily or 60.
Well, yeah, I mean, me either. I was really hoping that was a bigger push. 650 is kind of where the resistance is.
FOMO push.
644. Or it just works. Oh, buyer stepping in.
50.
ATOS is running.
Yep.
We can get rid of hood for now.
ATOS.
I'm gonna take a stab. So we can just get this quick little pullback here. It's clearly running into some resistance there. Nice extension already. Ball right back up. Right back to that same area too. Not a good sign. Might try to run a little bit more. It's also kind of off the bottom here. 369 is a good area. We're at a pretty decent area for resistance right here. I don't want to add too fast though. Man, look at VWAP already up there. That's not good. I just noticed that. Guess it is kind of volume out of nowhere, that's why. Maybe we won't be so greedy with this one. I guess about half the move is right around 314.
TAL early.
315 was where I got to last time.
And then nothing since. But I had to go to the ice cream truck, so.
Get the push down here. One more. Oh, on the bid.
Stream already?
All out of ATOS.
$$ ATOS.
Should have left my order where it was, but I didn't like that I couldn't get the ad, and it was kind of volume out of nowhere. I didn't even realize that at first.
Yeah, I missed the 330 ad.
I didn't want the 330 ad. I felt like it was still a little too close to my original entry. I feel like a push to 350. Right.
It only
Oh,
went up to 330.
that's the wrong chart.
Yeah, I thought it was going to give us a little bit more than 330.
Yeah, it looks strong.
Yeah. It looked like it was about to pop, and I was getting kind of excited, but then it just didn't.
Decent win, though.
Still watching BCTX as well. See if it wants to give us the real pop. This one's kind of sketch too at this point.
I'm gonna take this off. Not going any lower for me.
BCTX NCTY in, looking for ads.
I hate when I do that. Doesn't happen that often, but enough to annoy me. Come on, BCTX, just do it.
What do you got on watch, Jag?
Nothing.
ATOS, I'd love to see a secondary push here up through 350. 370 is a really good spot on the 60 minute.
You got 3 trades on BTBT?
Me? No, just 2. Oh, Devin?
7.
2 trades.
Was one of them all one trade?
One was all one trade and the other one was all one trade.
Oh, it looks like 3 separate entries.
I added back in.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
It's not a separate trade.
Gotcha. Good stuff, bro.
Yeah, it was a good trade, man. Still gonna go, I think. Yeah.
BTBT's going up again. You back in?
We're running out of shares on that, so 67,000 left.
I know you're not supposed to talk about a no-hitter in the 8th, but looking good, Tim.
What do you guys do?
Already at goal. Look at me.
Just don't say it. Just don't say it. That's what I mean.
It is what it is.
It's still the 8th inning, right?
I didn't even look at that until just now. No.
BCTX rotated.
I'm in one of them games where, you know, we're in the 8th inning, no hitter,
Go, D. Did you get some
but
of that?
the other team.
You just said you're in one of those games where you're in the 8th inning with the no-hitter?
Yeah, and and then, oh, wait, what? You're confusing me. Yeah, I'm watching ATOS. I was going to say, but you're getting no run support, so it's 0-0 in the 8th. And you're like, come on, man. But then you end up pitching like 13 innings because you're awesome.
Come on, FOMO move. Let's just go. Over 13.
Oh, yeah, look at BTBT. I don't think I'd be interested in that again unless we have shares at 14. Because that's where the daily says it's going.
We got the same line. 1390 something.
Go ATOS, go.
This one always shows up on the Memeberg terminal, the Wall Street Bets mentioned, so it worries me.
ATOS?
Yeah. Always play this scared. Looks good.
I really want 370. That would be beautiful. That's where that line is. Look at the 60 minutes, pretty undeniable.
Like 350 on the daily. Kind of a resistance spot.
That's what I'm saying. Look at the 60 minute and draw that line. It's like right at 370. It's beautiful.
Let's go.
Sad about BCTX. I really thought that was gonna go.
Comes all the volume.
Go.
It's really struggling. I want to hit the button so bad here, but I'm not. I know.
Come on, super speed. Let's do this shit.
It's wiggling. The jiggle,
I
Tim.
know. It is. That's why I want to hit the button, but I'm waiting. I want to wait for this one.
Much volume.
Well, that's usually a sign that it's done.
No.
But I'm waiting. I'm waiting on this one. I want more.
I was looking at like 1225 and didn't get in.
No, 1239 is where I filled. Stop out below 1240, I guess.
I'm telling you, the hammer's still pressed. This needs to go.
Yeah, it is.
Told you guys, if I see opportunity, I'm gonna hit it, man. I just needed to focus.
39.
I think there was just so much getting thrown at us early.
Yeah, it was that mixed with me not getting a trade yet, and a lot of people getting trades, and me getting FOMO'd, and
BCTX $.
Damn, BCTX. I wish that one would have just went. It's so annoying.
I mean, not to be mean, I love the room, but it was nice to shut down the noise in that moment.
How we all get that way at certain points.
Yeah, where it just gets too loud. I mean, just too much.
CLVS out all.
Felt like it was, like I traded it better than I normally even do.
Yeah, it just wasn't enough extension through 330 there. Needed way more.
It's not even a real good pullback here.
Yeah, I mean, if it doesn't even get to 330, I mean, that's the previous res at this point, but...
My goal is to finally not quit trading and finally get to the stupid FOMO push.
Whoa, look at ONE.
1 NTB.
Yeah, look at that. I remember I was saying it's 70 cents. It used to be $5. Well, now it's halted at $1.25.
It's new NAOV.
What'd you say?
NAOV, remember?
REDU trash pump. Higher the better.
Oh, yeah. Sad we don't have shares on ONE.
Still in that, Devin? Did you get out?
No, man. Trying not to let it just scare me out on those little tiny pullbacks. I feel the FOMO push should still come. Brother Mucker. There you go.
New.
Yeah, here we go. That's definitely not what we want.
Got my finger on the button. I think I'm gonna get that flash up.
Order filled.
Like that speed coming into it right now.
ATOS daily crap. 3.80-ish would be great.
Shouldn't it? Okay, I have plenty of shares.
Yeah, just go from 13.
Why does DOS keep doing that today?
13 to 14.
Why is it doing that? It's scaring me.
I want that push. I want that push.
There is that noise. What is that? What is that? It's freaking me out. That's twice now it's done it.
And don't get the pullback this time and just go straight up.
Devin, with all due respect, man, because I know I'm the effing new guy, for complaining about like the chat being too loud, you give us a lot of inner monologue, man. Like no lies.
It's because he doesn't use push to talk. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, you guys just hear everything I
All
say.
right, all right, that makes sense.
Yeah, he's not. I don't think he's doing it on purpose. He is talking to himself. I think we just become so used to it.
Yeah. You learn to drown it
We
out.
just accept people for who they are.
See,
How-
effing new guy.
How else are we gonna know he's in a trade?
Yeah, that wasn't bashing you, Colin. It was just defending him a little. That's all.
So when the market gets back and Devin says he's going to take a nap, and then pops up 5 trades.
Hey guys, I just made a lot of money.
Yeah, and to his defense, this chat gets real quiet when Devin's not around.
It does.
No, I like talking, but if it gets annoying, somebody just tell me to shut up, and I'll even mute myself. I don't really give a shit.
Yeah, I don't think it bothers anybody.
Okay.
I think more what you're talking about is we're all trying to talk on top of each other and it gets loud.
Kind of. I mean, I guess that's how I'm letting
BTBT 65K.
And I'm just talking out loud because that's what I do.
And close to rotation.
Anybody know what happened to Moore?
Or he's still moving.
I think he was moving. Yeah.
Yeah, he popped in like at 3 in the morning. Goes, anyone around? And then I haven't heard from him.
BCTX out all.
Anyone here?
Oh, there's Thomas's trades.
You were in here at 3 in the morning, DT?
No, not anymore.
What is that 107, right?
I just saw it in chat. That's all.
Oh, he posted in chat. I got you.
Order filled.
Yeah, not since I started trading full time. I'm going to bed at 3 in the morning. My normal time is anytime between 1 and 3. Used to be. Anyway.
I'm out about half my position. I'm out half my position here, so hoping this thing doesn't pull back and stop me. Come on, just push.
Order filled.
Wait to 14. Telling you, dude, this might go straight to 14.
It's still just grinding up.
I like the way you're still in it.
What's your average, man?
That didn't sound right.
39. I like still being in it too.
Telling you, man, 1392.14. That's where the line is. That's where it's going.
Straight to 14.
It's great when you go and smash yourself.
You got to do it before somebody else does.
Order
Hey man,
cancelled.
if it comes out of your mouth and you see it already, yeah, just call yourself
That
out.
didn't sound right. I like it the way you're still in it. Wow. This is
New
the
dollar,
first
dollar,
trade
dollar.
in a minute, man. This is awesome.
Order filled.
Alright, outmost there. We'll just look to get the rest way further down. See if it wants to give it all back. Do 85. Put a stop at, what was this? 10. I'll put it at 103. I'll range it.
Go.
Kind of sad we couldn't get the
Order cancelled.
107 fill there. It wouldn't give it to us. That's where our order was. We ended up taking it at 103. Would have gave us a better average. See what it does here if it flushes the VWAP. This feels like it wants to just give it all back.
ATOS stop leftovers B/E.
What was that other one? Redo? Yeah, never went. We wanted it to blow through high of day, just never did. I'd expect a pop up to like 95 at least if it does. I thought it would have tried VWAP there. That was a pretty good push down. I'm just looking for right before that move started, 82, just front running it.
You still in?
Yeah, I think
It would take a lot to get back up to 103.
anything below
Give it a chance to bounce here and then work its way down a little bit further.
See if I can get in decent size for the big push, you know?
Yeah.
If it's coming. If not, it'll F with me again and I'll get out and take a small one on the back side of this. Come on, over that 13. She wants it, but she can't get it. And I took it off there. Decent win, dude. Over goal.
Nice, bro. Question. Since
Yeah.
that one, what are you using to take your profits on? Since you weren't able to draw fibs on that yet. Just
I do
action?
actually have this one out from previous move.
Gotcha. Okay.
But that's why I kind of started getting into it where I did, because it was over.
Yeah, like I said, 95. Let's see if we can get the push down now. If it tries to come down and gets back to the low of this, kind of play the pivot, we'll lower our stop down here.
Okay.
But ideally, we're looking for this to come down and flush through.
I mean, not the bottom, but close to the top.
So your fibs were from the day before?
I don't know where these fit. I've had these fibs on here. Let me see.
My fibs are from the 23rd, and it's been following it ever since.
Yeah, that might be. I mean, I don't know. Hold on. Let me see if I can see where I did these.
I got fibs from the original IPO. Seems to be respecting them.
Yeah.
I drew them on the 26th through the 27th.
Gotcha.
Of July. So it was that big move up to that first pullback, and today's the first day it actually goes out there.
All out new, ATOS. Cashed up. Need coffee.
No. Pretty decent, man. Pretty decent. Where's the demonetizer at?
Yo ho yo.
There we go. That's what we were looking for.
I'm still fighting with ATOS.
Are you trading ATOS?
Waiting for this drop down to the 50.
We're looking for continuation there.
VWAP for a few minutes here, but
didn't really want it to get bought up there.
The 9 is coming down, so hopefully it'll go under. And give me a nice win.
Trying to bounce off VWAP here.
Yeah, this is the first time I've had this in a minute, dude. Where my daily candle
Order filled.
is like
Just take it off. Be happy there. Nice little trade.
It dipped down to like 17. Should be good.
I miss this feeling right here, man. The funniest funniest thing ever is when I'm trading these like this. This is all I'm thinking about the whole time is how's this gonna look like on a daily candle. I don't want to miss a piece of it. Here she goes again, man. Damn, I'm done.
You're right on the ending volume there, Tim, on ATOS. That was
Yeah,
definitely
yeah. That's usually what happens.
it.
The problem is you can't assume that that's the candle. That's when you get in trouble. But in hindsight, it's real easy to find. It happens a lot. I mean, look at NEW. It did the same thing. Like, look at my chart. You can see the volume went up, and that was the candle. But you don't know if that's going to be that candle because the next candle could be a halt, you know, up to $1.30 for all you know.
What are you watching, Jag?
Just poking around.
You're always poking, man. You're always poking.
EYSI, but I'm not touching
Ooh,
LC.
mighta, coulda. Oh, would it have given us the fill?
it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking. We would have took it right there. That's real close to what we were looking for. Extra $1.50. We only have 50 shares.
Not even $1 yet.
That's not all time high. It's close.
Where's the all-time high?
30 something, I believe.
Oh, this has been up.
Is this a fitness and health channel? Why do you say that? Thanks, Colin. I appreciate that.
46. 3260-ish. That's like an area. That's one of those. If I was freaking betting, hold that for
Let's
34
go.
bucks. It would come. I gotta pee. I'll be RB.
Drop already.
I'm starting to think I was wrong on Hood.
What do you mean?
I thought it. Well, we'll see what it does here. What did it find support at? 57.75.
Your end of day.
Yeah. If it can hold, yeah. I mean, if it can hold this 57.75 area, it'll probably try to work its way back up a little bit.
I said 58.
Yeah. End of day though, you might be right now, but will you be right EOD?
Come on, enough with these fake out breakouts. Just drop already.
I'm becoming an old man.
What's your average?
34.
Oh, you're sitting pretty.
I just sat on my own nuts.
Wow.
Must be hot.
That's something you don't hear in chat too often.
Hanging a little low today.
That's not something you hear often.
Yeah, I know, man.
You're getting old.
No, I know. Tell me, how low did it go?
I don't know. I'll show you.
Pull on them a little bit.
This is how they look at it. Almost 50. BTBT ain't done, dude.
No.
Keep pulling back.
Trade is literally riding the 9 and VWAP. Let's go.
Maybe it likes to ride the 9 and VWAP. It's like it's two bitches, you know?
NCTY dollar on way.
Go visit the 50. Now, if you want, go visit the 200. 200's nice.
What else is moving, boys and girls and girls and boys?
I don't know.
CTX.
Down.
It's coming down. Oh, let's
Go make my shake.
all the way down.
This is the holy grail of day trading channel. Oh, Sammy. Oh, because I'm running up them queues. True.
50 bucks even.
Yeah, Sammy, I'm sure I'll go long in the future, but I've preached it for a while that you gotta find one setup and master it first.
Yeah, that was good to me.
I'm gonna make my shake real quick. Oh, looks like we might have a little break.
BTBT does.
I'm so glad to get this kind of a morning after yesterday. My hands were numb yesterday.
50 off the high.
Come on already. Don't go back. Don't go back.
What I gotta want to do, I should have never been out of that first position, and I'm just not there yet. Should have been adding in like I did, but off that first position. That first position was 500 shares. Imagine if I had 200, then I added back in the 300. My position size would be so much better.
Seem to be getting better at it.
I mean, I did it on the first one, but then I got all out, then I got back in, then I got all out, then I got back in, then I wrote that one all the way up.
Because you used to get out, like on the first
Every
sense
time,
of fear.
yeah, it popped, started pulling back, it'd get out. Yeah.
Just from what I've noticed in the last few months.
Trying to get into leaving that half size in there, that would be the best, and then add to it back to full, kind of build around like core, as they say.
Trade around your core.
It's smart if you don't get all out of a position, because now every ad is a better ad than it would be, you know, if you were just starting the position. If you're in a actual trend. And that's the other thing. Lately, I haven't been trusting the trends, so.
That's the problem.
I don't think it's done, man. I can feel that. Advanced to level 53.
53.
No.
What'd that get you?
I don't really understand what any of that means.
Means you posted a lot.
Well, he is the
posted
number
that
one poster.
Am I still?
ATOM.
Adam earnings.
I don't have nothing.
It's earnings.
Probably too late now. Anyway.
I don't think any of us are even close to catching up to you, Devin.
I am.
22.75 halt level.
BTBT starting to get a little interesting.
Get $30 off your first order with Uber Eats. First time users only. Taxes, delivery fee, and service fee still apply.
Costs $10 to order McDonald's.
So you're literally getting the money for your food, which isn't going to cost $30, and then you're still paying all the stupid, ridiculous fees anyway. Makes sense.
I'm number 1 still. That's just number 2.
What level am I?
I don't know. I don't know how to check you.
I don't know how to check anybody.
I'm not too far behind you.
Number 2, 52. Yeah, you're right there.
If you scroll up on the fund, or no, the rank bot, there's a link shows everybody
Oh, I don't know.
Where's that?
at the bottom.
I'd assume me and Devin are pretty far ahead of everybody because we were in here by ourselves, yeah, for a long time.
It'd be hard for somebody else in Vineyards this whole
Side
time.
YouTube 53 and 52, 53. The next one is 39.
And this was actually our second Discord, if you remember, Devin. We actually went from one to the other.
I don't remember that.
Thomas is
Yeah.
at 35, Jags at 29.
We were in an original one, and then I made this one for the YouTube channel
Oh.
because I was going to keep them separate because I remember saying I'll keep the old one just in case we want to be left alone kind of thing.
Yeah.
And then we just ended up coming in here.
LC straight up. I don't know. I hate you. Why can't people just give you exact times when they're gonna come? Why do they gotta give you 2-hour windows? It's so annoying.
Yeah, tomorrow we have our dining room table coming from, we ordered it back in the beginning of June. And it's finally coming tomorrow, and they're like, it'll be here between 8 and 12. I'm like, oh.
LOLBCTX.
For 4 hours.
Thankfully, my mom will be home, so.
They originally said they'll be here for 8
BCTX
p.m.
dollar on way.
Better than that, like, they've
Hope
changed
you
all
had
the
some there,
prices
B.
now, and I'm like, I just really would like to know about when we'll be there. Said the best I can do is we'll be there between 8 and 10.
Dang, BCTX with a big drop. Thomas, why can't our leftovers get that kind of stuff?
I don't know. We don't have that type of patience, and we're not in that bit.
True.
We're not in it.
Just about to say, if you see something, call it out, Tim. I'm doing a takeoff right now.
Yep, I will.
Don't know what a takeoff is, but have fun.
Taking off his clothes.
Ooh. Can we get the live stream like Steve does every once in a while?
FTCV17 KTB. Pass.
Nobody wants to see the truffle shuffle.
I do. And he's into some kinky stuff, man.
Take off your clothes.
Him has expressed the only takeoff he knows of.
No, I'm pretty sure that's for like time off. Like you're approving time off, maybe.
Electrical takeoff on a set of plans. Counting fixtures.
Gotcha. Yeah, once you said that, I knew because my wife has used the term.
Oh, she sells the fixtures, huh? Fuck salesman. That's a word I'm log back to.
I actually miss sales every once in a while.
Not me.
No.
That's gonna be a hard no for me. I hate sales, and I still do it.
I did it for so long, I think I just burnt myself out. I preferred it as my own business, because it's more like building relationship than sales, in my opinion, but that's how I viewed it.
I'll actually every once in a while, like when a telemarketer calls, I'll just start throwing up objections and trying to keep them going. Just because I miss them. And when they give up, like after 2 objections, and I'm like, dude, are you serious? You just gave up and you're gonna hang up after 2 objections.
Sammy's your
You're
hero,
not gonna make it.
Drew. Oh, I'm sure Sammy will be much appreciative of that.
My wife gets mad. My wife gets mad at me if I start talking to him.
Is that the same girl? Same thing.
Yeah, Megan Fox.
Is Anya already on the screen?
Yeah. I remember that movie.
Is that the one where she like becomes a vampire or something?
Which one, the booby one?
No, none of those. The second one, the one that Colin posted, that's from something 40.
I don't think I saw that.
Over 40 or whatever.
Oh.
Something like that.
Oh, it's like when something turned 40, like where it's about the. Because isn't that the one that's touching him? Isn't she the one that is like on the shitter, talking to her husband or whatever?
Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I don't remember Megan Fox being in that.
Yep. She was like a sales associate, and then she ends up getting fired for like stealing shit.
This is 40.
This is 40. Yeah, that's it.
Megan Fox is hot, but she's such a bee.
Who cares?
Oh yeah.
Real life.
Just duct tape her mouth.
That's screwing her to talk to her.
No, I know. I'm just saying, as a human being, I dislike her.
Yeah, Megan Fox is like I don't know what it is about her specifically, but like her body and like I don't know, and the brunette hair. That's totally my type. I know she's a lot of people's type. I got that. But like I have a type like regardless, and that's it. Like that body figure.
It looks nothing like Amanda.
Why are you throwing me under the bus, man?
That's like, okay, my wife doesn't really look like my type. Oh my god, leave me alone.
No, that's not true at all. When we met, she was my type.
Oh, that's even worse.
He's like, then she had my kids.
I'm sure she's thinking the same thing, Tim.
She is. Believe it or not,
Tim can't talk too much shit.
believe it or not, I wasn't actually that much later when I met her.
Like, I was a fat ass then too.
But she was drunk as anything.
So you gained weight and then lost weight and then gained it back?
I did.
Gotcha.
Yeah, there was.
I'm forever and unchanging.
I
Really
was.
all it's got.
I was 200 pounds when I met her, and then I gained like the comfortable relationship weight, and I was up to 250. I lost all of it. I went all the way down to like 155, 160. We went on a cruise. Went on a cruise. I gained 17 pounds in a week on that cruise. I ate everything.
Lord.
Yeah. And it's not I'm not even exaggerating. Like I literally weighed myself before I left and I weighed myself when we got back. I gained 17 pounds. But the thing is, I was also to get down to get down to that 155, I was eating like next to nothing at that point. And my body was deprived. Yeah, my body was pretty deprived. So it was like probably the first donut I ate, I probably gained 5 pounds just holding water again. But, anyways, come back from that, and then after the cruise, we went through a pretty bad spell in our marriage. Like we had it rough for a little while, and I guess I just gave up completely on giving a shit. And I started gaining it back. And when I got to 200, I was like, I am not going back over 200. And I didn't. I actually lost weight again. I think I got down to like 185, and then that's when we had kids. And I just was all focused on the kids and just bad habits, man. It's real hard to get rid of those bad habits, and I've had them my entire life. Like where I am a stress eater. I'm as of this morning I was 231. I got back up to 250. And I was 248. 248 is where I got, and I was like, I am not doing 250. And I was like, you know what? Stop the excuses. Yeah, I'm only 5'9".
I'm 5'9" too. That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm not skinny. Me? Oh, Devin.
No, Devin. I knew Tim was about, we were about the same height, but Devin just looks taller.
Oh, thanks.
He's gonna be a disappointment when you see him in person.
My short fucking ass.
But yeah, it's been a struggle my entire life. And the thing is, I always say it, if I wasn't into sports, I would have had it rough. Like I would have been one of them 300-pound kids. Like no question about it. Because I had a pretty rough, high school life as well. That's when my parents got divorced. If it wasn't for just diving into sports, I would have been a real fat kid. And I'm sure you hit a point too, like with weight, when you start getting too heavy for your size, that you just completely give up, and then you end up just eating more because that's your comfort and your stress. And I mean, it's a dark hole, man. It really is.
I'm like stupid disciplined with food. I have weird issues with that. Like, it's healthy, I guess, but it's almost issues.
When I get into the groove though, I'm pretty good. Like I'm in the groove right now. Like I can easily say no to things at this point. It's just like trading. It's all your emotions. It's all in your head. It's like once you can get on the right track, it becomes a lot easier. Like I would just randomly eat stuff out of the pantry, chips, whatever it was, just to eat it. Like I wouldn't even be hungry. I would just eat it just to eat it because it was there. But it's like once you get on track, it becomes a lot easier. And I think the big thing too is like those first 2 weeks and actually seeing results in those first 2 weeks, because then you're like, okay, it's working, kind of thing. And that's when you can start to stick to it. And it's no different in trading. I was telling the wife this the other day. It's like I feel like if I can be as disciplined as I am when it comes to trading, then I can be disciplined when it comes to what I'm putting in my mouth. Like it's except unless it's Devin, then it's kind of hard to be disciplined.
But I was reading something saying that like people that are disciplined, like with workout regimens, normally make better traders. It's just discipline in general, I think.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Diet, he's very disciplined. I think that's why he can be such a disciplined trader and just like I'll take the loss, I'll take the whatever. I think it helps if you're
Well, explain me then, Devin, because I'm pretty fucking disciplined trading, but I'm sure the fuck not disciplined when I'm eating.
But dude, you
He's
had
right.
a lot of trouble getting to where you are. It was not easy for you because I don't think you are disciplined in those different areas.
I
saw
100%
you
agree.
You're freaking be down $2-3. So fuck whatever. I don't even know. It took you a minute to get to where you are. You had to work at it. And for me,
You
this is
100%.
natural to be super disciplined. Like it's just the way I've always been.
Yeah. I was literally shaking my head agreeing with you.
Yeah, I used to think I was fat when I was 13, and I quit, and I like started eating nothing but healthy foods. I would look at saturated fat at the age of 13.
Hey, Fabs.
Like looking back at it, I'm like, what the fuck was wrong with me, dude?
Fabs, I use
And I was never
intensity
fat.
stockwatch scanners. Here, let me
But in my head, I was.
minimize this.
So it just made me very, I don't know, very conscious.
So these scanners are what I use. Right now, there's nothing on them, but I also have a minimum.
I was what?
So these are the intensity stockwatch scanners. What I'm looking for is for these to go up to over 20, and it's showing that there's an intense move. And when we get the intense move, that's what I'm looking for. So like Tilray was up there right now. We'll go over to Tilray. You can see it's making a nice move. So I would essentially want for the intense move to be a bit more, and plus I look for things that are at high of day, like over previous highs as well. So this is actually coming up to yesterday's high. Tilray is actually making a pretty nice move if you guys want that off the bottom crap. Tilray. But that's exactly how the scanners work. So you find something on the scanners. Like you can see, it's not on there now because it started to move back. But this is what finds everything for me. And then if you miss anything, the monitor's down here. It'll tell you, so you can kind of scroll through tickers that did alert. So this will only show you tickers that alerted that 20 plus on the intensity column. And then this is just the tops list. It shows you which stocks are the most active, which ones have the most range, which ones are up the most percentage wise, which ones are down the most. And there's also a gap up list, and there is also the bear scan as well, which is going to be one of my favorites in the future. I have it over here. It looks for hangovers at the bell. I rarely use these too much, but I'll look at these pre-market just to see what I think might move. I do have the two other ultra scans. These are for higher price. As you can see, Tesla is apparently moving. Let's take a look. The Tilray, as you can see, still moving. Let's take a look at Tesla. Yep, Tesla as well. Yeah, Tesla is also going. Tesla and Tilray both going right off the scanner. So that's exactly what it's meant to do. So if we go back real quick to scanner, you can see Tesla's alerting here, 38, and that's showing you that it's at high of day, and it's also making a nice move.
LOL for tease add LOL. Fuck yeah.
Chart tell you?
Chart tells me to be bullish.
Okay, I ain't worried about your head.
Wait, what? Wow. Working it as well. Smiley face.
I don't have the, there's also the live room, if you're part of the team. Where? That was the wrong thing. Drag this over here so
How
you
you
can
get the right font in Photoshop B?
So like this is where everyone on Team ISW will post their trade ideas. There's also a lounge as well where we just talk about normal stuff. But as you can see, Brian's bragging a little bit, posting his profits for the day. That's kind of funny. But yeah, everything on all of my trades since February 8th of 2019 have all come right off the ISW scanners. Every single one of them. So hopefully that answers your question. The link, if you want to look more into them, should be the first link down in the description.
So it tells me it's not going to continue. Let's go. Let's go.
Francis, yeah, we do take longs. Like Brian takes longs, David takes longs, Constantine takes longs. Alex has been taking longs lately. He's PGS. But I mean, they do. But we're all short bias for sure. The pop and drop, the para short, whatever you want to call it. That I mean, it just seems to work the best. So it's definitely what we aim for in most cases. They just seem to work the best. What was BYSI anyway? Oh, this was that pre-market. Wonder if he started. I'm assuming he started this in the pre-market. Actually, let me check his charts before I ask, so I'm not asking a stupid question. BYSI. No, he just did a hangover play at the open. Dang.
Let's go.
What's the cost? The cost of everything is in the link as well. You do get a discount if you use my link. For the elite version of ISW, it's I think $97 or $98. To get the platinum, it's $179. I haven't had somebody ask me this in a while. I'm pretty sure it's $179. And then the team, you have to click on it because Brian changes that sometimes. So I don't know what it is. It goes up and down depending on his mood. But it should be there. If you just click on the link, you'll see it.
Watching you.
So waiting for that 14 on this stupid suck. BTN just do something? Nope. They just said in the conference call they're expecting $1 billion of incremental cash flow in 2022.
NCTY is trying again. What is that? EQOS?
Stock is been good to me, but man, it's
EQOS near 6 maybe. Carrot. NCTY trying again. The ticker, not me.
Another penny stock.
just saying heavy volume TLGT. Gee, it sense Bash, that might be your wheelhouse.
Which one? Oh, TLGT? Yeah, I actually have it up. I was, if it goes to 70, I've traded 2 of them today.
Oh, have you?
Yeah. What was it? Or maybe it was just one. NEW, new. If this shot to 70 cents, like right now, I'd probably jump in. It is volume out of nowhere though, so. It's also actually almost half rotated its float at 10, 11 mil will be half.
I guess I'll toast the. I thought the freaking guy was here. Because you were barking. Well, this thing is not ready to go to 14 yet. There's a lot of. There's a woman with a split tongue. There's something that I've never been attracted to.
Yeah, me neither.
I could try it once.
I actually I did. It was very weird. It's not what you think.
Not as awesome as it sounds.
No. Like when you're kissing that, dude, it's creepy.
I wasn't
I didn't
thinking
say I
about
was
kissing
gonna
it.
kiss that.
Oh, the other thing too. The other thing too. It's just I don't know. I mean, it's definitely better the other way, but it's still it doesn't do anything more than a normal tongue would do. Let me just put it that way.
Doesn't add anything.
No, not like a piercing. Now the piercings, those help.
Ugh. I feel like I've outgrown pierced girls. I did. It's hot. All right. Well, we are every day this week now on average. We're definitely getting a little more active. Damn, Brig hit $85 today.
I was sure you were gonna take that jiggle.
Me on TLGT?
Yeah.
Nah, that's not enough range. I mean, it was a clear goal, but that's I needed way more than that.
Oh yeah, I was with you if it was 70. But I was sitting there watching. I saw the jiggle and I looked over at my other screen to see if he took it. I was like, yeah.
Just got the email about school starting in the fall and all the kids wearing masks. Fun times.
You're starting in the fall?
Oh, kindergarten.
Yeah,
I guess technically it's the end of summer.
About that last night.
Listening.
T, you still in the hizzy?
Who?
Violin?
Oh.
What? What?
What you doing, man?
Where were you yesterday?
Sick.
You do still sound a little out of it.
13.70-ish NCTY would be fun.
Assuming you're not trading today.
No, not really. I mean, I'm looking, but I'm more messing around today. I'm looking at network speeds right now.
Dude, I figured out why my power went out yesterday. Make it. Freaking power line was down. I was like, that's probably what happened.
No, I didn't even get out of bed till like noon yesterday.
I actually slept until noon.
Oh, I didn't sleep. I was up at 8. I just turned the TV on.
a trade there. Not $50 here, $60 there.
I was trying to figure out watch lists on Thinkorswim for some reason. TradingView has horrible watch lists.
Be right back, guys. I'm gonna.
Yeah, that's typically what happens around this time, Drew. Just starts to go sideways. Kind of feeling Chipotle for lunch today. Where? Where's it coming from? I was too quick that time. I'm trying to figure out where that's coming from. There's an ad running somewhere.
REDU 1.50s.
Yeah, we got plenty.
Yeah, 1.3.
I just don't know where it could be coming from because unless it's Facebook, but I don't know.
I don't know that I would have taken it, but possibility that it just fades off to like $12 or so. That's one of those. It would have kind of been a boredom trade if I was in it. That's crazy. We had this like kind of exciting morning, and then it just seems like.
Put my trades in there so you see the YTD chart move a little bit.
What about NVTA?
Hold on a sec. $3.1
million?
Yep.
Were you guys looking at that this morning or no?
No. Should I be looking at it right now, or it happened already?
No. Now it's said and done. I saw it earlier. I just didn't call it out. I was well, I heard it. Charlie was calling it out. No, now it's nothing.
You got a trade need that large of a cap or float?
Or
Not
the
you.
BTA.
No, I know. Tim or Thomas.
What? I don't even know what ticker we're talking about.
NVTA is almost a 200 million float.
I mean, it depends on the move it makes. It's a 6.5 bill market cap. Let me see what the move look like. Oh yeah, I'm not trading that. Well, I mean, it didn't really make a move either.
I'm not talking about the move. I just said in general.
It would highly depend on the move it made.
I got you.
It's got to be a really good move. Yeah.
Did I include the gap up in that move? So to me, that would have been a pretty good move. But
yeah, I'm really interested in the current move. Like for me, that move through 32, which was the after hours and pre-market high area, I would have been looking for a move through that. That's where I would have been looking for. But you're looking broader scale, and I mean that didn't go through 32 almost at all.
So
I don't know
they
if I
lost in
would've
their
taken it.
earnings and the stock jumps.
That sounds about right.
Stocks move up for no reason nowadays.
I know. It's just funny how earnings work.
If they would have like won on their earnings, they probably would have gone down. Yeah, I saw that. They did really good last year.
All right, dudes.
Hey,
Good luck rest of the day. Catch you in the
Later,
morning.
man.
later, bro.
Later, Colin. Have a good day.
Don't do Craig.
Unless it's the good stuff with no side effects.
Do Craig, dude. I don't care. I don't care. UAA went straight up today. It's not a huge move, really, but it's straight up. 5 minutes funny on that one. Where did our boy Jack go?
I said PRB and never came back.
BRB was not RB. He's liking pictures, so he's by the computer. He's just ignoring us.
That was a while ago. That was at 11 o'clock.
Well, take what I can get, dude. What's the SPY doing today? Let's check that out. Oh, back down. Still chopping. Bad sign for the market overall. We need it to break out. She knows she wants to. She's gonna wait for Friday just to be a dick. I know how she is.
All right.
BTBT dropping like it's hot. These fuckers get here soon, so I can kind of get them in here and settled in and be back for after lunch.
It's pretty much a square room, right?
Yeah, it should be good. They said it'll be real quick. I mean,
Yeah,
you know
square
more about
room
that
instead
than I
of
do.
a closet.
Little sneak peek here at TraderSync.
Yeah, that'll be the only time, but that won't take long.
The chart looks like on
Are you getting the
kind of a bigger
tongue and
scale.
groove laminate?
A little bit easier to see.
Yeah, I think so. Some sort of, I don't know. I wish it wasn't when she picked it, but
Not too
it's
shabby.
one
Not
of
too
the
shabby.
laminate ones, laminate wood. I think it's just the interlocking shit, though. You know.
82.8% win rate. 1.88 profit factor. It's like
Could be in and out of here in 2 hours.
a good day for Wednesday, right? Wednesday was definitely our worst day. Today's Wednesday, so not too bad.
Yeah, definitely square room.
Take a look at the calendar.
Nice not to have that ugly ass.
I wonder how many red days we've had this year. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16. 16 red days this year. Not too bad. What a crappy day yesterday. Such a crappy day.
They have like a sunken in living room, or we have a sunken in living room. And I'm keeping that carpet. I like carpet in there. Honestly, like my house had some carpet in the living room, and that was it. And I freaking saved my feet though, dude. I noticed walking around here.
I love the bar chart.
It
just looks clean once you get enough data on it. But max loss here. Max loss here.
Rare.
It's crazy how it doesn't look like anything in the grand scheme of things, right? That's why we put that max loss there, to protect us.
Somewhere with some softer flooring.
But
I actually want to redo her wood everywhere. I don't really love the wood that's in here, but I'm gonna do the bedroom. I'm gonna kind of start working my way out.
dang, ACY is a 1 mil float. It's at $23. Those can get a little crazy.
What is it?
ACY, AC.
Yeah,
It's only a 1 mil float. No, I know. I'm just saying. Like, look at the daily. Look at the moves the thing makes.
Oh yeah, dude, it can get flying. I just don't think I'm gonna fuck with that.
Looks like it's about to try.
I think BTBT is still looking to gear up, dude. I think it's.
Yeah, it never even went below VWAP.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You see these things.
And it didn't get to that 1390 area. It's like, yo, we gotta at least try it.
Yeah, it's gonna want to get up there, dude.
It's Hood. It's Hood looking like.
Might be the only ticker I trade today.
Oh, Hood broke that area, but it regained it. Now it's holding it again. Little head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulders action.
On the hood.
Yeah, a little reverse head and shoulders going on. Kind of a small head. The shoulders are pretty high, but you know.
Big ass right shoulder. Fucking deformed guy.
Popeye syndrome.
Dude, break out the left shoulder too, bruh. Funny, I had that happen. I effed up my left shoulder when I was working out a lot, and I couldn't work out my left, but I kept working out my right. So I did this exercise.
You guys see that meme that just popped around between COVID men coming out of COVID with a big right forearm?
Honestly, COVID would save my freaking left shoulder, man. I mean, now I can move it again. My left shoulder, I did not have full range of motion for like a good year and a half. I think staying out of the gym for a little bit gave it a chance to heal. BTBT is gonna run. What do you think about that, Tim? You think that's running?
APT?
Yeah.
He seriously said that's running?
Said shares of Alpha Protec starting to run.
Jeez.
I'm like, Charlie. That's the bottom and has moved up about 5 cents. Oh my goodness, crickets up in this Izzy. I assume you are over gold today, Tim.
Yep. Yeah, I got about like 1.25 goal.
I'm about 1.25 as well. I would like it to be 2 times goal. God, you'd think with all that trading I was higher, but I wasn't going super heavy. And honestly, my best trade on that was my lightest trade. Just didn't get a chance to add. Yeah, I got 3 ads and the 2 before it, and I never gave me a chance to add on the last one. Or 2 ads. The F up. We're short that, you were short BTBT, I guess, right before I got in, you said?
Is that the one? Is that the only thing you've traded today?
That's all I've traded.
Then yeah. Yeah, you got in 1 penny lower than my exit on that one trade. Yeah. I forget what I traded it twice though.
Where's your BTBT? I see it. Nah.
It was literally 1 penny over.
Say there's a winner and a loser in a trade. Like,
Yep.
you were getting out for a win. I was getting in, but I won too, so that's not always true.
Yeah, but I also shorted somebody's shares who bought them where I shorted them.
That guy. That guy lost. That's the guy that lost. Alright, dude.
I am going bowling today too, around 2 o'clock. So if I'm gonna do lunch, I should probably do it soon. I do need to do one thing first. No shares there.
BTBT and TB.
Is BTBT running? You just okay, you just
Just for B's sake, prob already know.
yeah, keeper day, $10 stock. Should share a lot. Stop loss. At $7.
My wife said these were on sale. Can you check for me? I'm not sure. She's gonna send me the ad. No, it's fine. Either way, I'm getting it.
Pops in for
But,
that.
we'll have to fix the price after.
Come on, Daddy, buy me some candy.
So okay, so stops at 7.
Here, I got coupons.
$10 stock. So we're going long in this case. So $3. So that would be $300.
Yeah. Supposed to be 349.
I'm
I think.
I'm a big Jew.
What's that? I'm sorry. Yeah. Please. Thank you so much.
Don't give me the discount. I'm a Jew.
I'm a Jew. Save me money.
There probably isn't even a discount. I'm probably just making it up because I'm a Jew.
You're the one that just popped into the room, Steve.
I've been here the whole time.
I've even not heard you once.
Oh, that's because I was on the phone.
Yeah,
I was
Now
like,
got this.
I heard the beep and I was like, what alert is that?
and a that's second out of Jersey.
Oh, 49 cents works too. We could do that. Oh no.
Save
I'll
me
take it out of your
49
paycheck.
cents.
Oh my gosh. Go find it. Yeah.
I'm a gay Jew. I like wieners.
Oh man.
God,
Maybe just delete it and then
Steve
rescan it.
Milner, the gay Jew.
Can you imagine being in the grocery store and having us in your ear?
Oh my god. I would be laugh. I don't care. I would be hilarious at him.
I think this is the same. Oh, I see.
Oh, piss posh, man.
There it is.
Went from decent morning to slow as a motherfucker. Are we still streaming? Because I should quit cussing if we are.
We are. I'm getting ready to end it though soon.
I'm like, I've been
All
cussing
right.
a lot right now.
Oh no.
The heck is this stupid thing doing?
Uh-oh. Gotta be careful.
My wife shut it down.
Sounds like 12.
My wife's got a summer home, so I'm all alone.
B. The guru says boom
I
boom
got a whole
boom.
apartment back there. You don't need to
Boom
make.
boom boom. Boom boom boom. B. The guru says boom boom boom.
Jesus.
You're in the right
All
spot.
the way to
You're
the
in the right
bank.
spot. That's true.
Is that the right spot, Steve?
It sounds like a freaking laugh track, dude. It doesn't even sound like it's real.
Do the sprinkler T.
973.
Reminder, obey all chat rules, be
$1.70.
respectful,
Steve's a
no
bitch.
foul or offensive language, post useful messages, no spam or distracting posts, use lounge for general discussion. Reminder,
Paper trade.
obey all
That's
chat
your trade.
rules, be respectful, no foul or offensive language,
Timothy?
post useful messages, no spam or distracting posts, use lounge for general discussion. My sprinkler goes like this. Love that one.
He's laughing at something.
It's an ISW thing, sorry.
No, it's alright.
What did you say, Devin? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I didn't say anything to you.
I thought you asked me a question.
They're so much fun to go shopping with. We should just more often.
For sure, bro.
Where do you guys want to go next? You go to Home Depot, Models. Where do you want to go?
Take me to Models. I've never been.
Ah, man, they're out of business.
Oh, darn it.
How's my stock doing? How's ATOS?
Alright, hopefully this doesn't... Let's see. I don't know if this is going to get us into a position or not, but we should be on
334.
demo.
329.
Okay.
All right.
Wait, why did it go?
Yeah, it didn't go to 317 yet.
Trigger price
I don't think it did.
612. Double click.
Otherwise, I wouldn't be in the stock anymore.
Use the other chat UFN wanker.
Steve, you are gold, man. Your patience and
Kjast 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 kfust kfas v.
Patience? I appreciate the compliment. It's more like stupidity. Because it was at 321 and I didn't take anything. But I do appreciate the kind words.
You're welcome.
Hey man, I saved $2 that way. My wife sent me the flyer and I saved $2.
Because I'm a nice person, unlike other people in this room.
But they're just ragging on me.
PT.
Hmm? I didn't rag on you.
I was. We all know who the person that would rag.
Yeah, we got to go home and put this stuff in the freezer.
If I did, I apologize.
If I did, I'm sorry.
So I'm assuming...
Tell me what I said so I can say it twice.
I never mean any harm by it.
None of us ever do.
Okay,
So
so
when it
that's
comes
the
to
risk. So if we change this to 100...
You all mean things to say about me.
Always.
Let's try
I feel like you trade frozen. Let's restart this thing.
test
Because it's not
16.
moving.
Tim, I had asked if you were trying to test your theory on paper.
No, I'm actually trying to figure out a hot button for somebody else.
Oh, is that the one from?
Coor Stalker is on earnings, thinking 44-ish.
That's a nice little droppy drop. I am a treat. Thank you for recognizing.
That's still not right. Why is it giving me the wrong trigger price?
I feel like we are too old to use the term treat.
It's dividing it because it's
snack.
dividing it by 2.
Oh, God.
But even if it didn't divide it by 2, that still wouldn't be right.
We're not allowed to do this, man. That's just the
Oh
way
my
it works.
God. That girl that tags for me, she uses that term all the time.
He's a
Snack?
snack.
Oh, it's gone. Okay.
She is so self-absorbed in describing herself.
Was she
Just-
describing herself as a snack?
So I
Yes.
don't want it to
Yeah,
divide by
went to
2.
this party, and there were these guys there, and I was such a snack. I'm like, can you just shut up and staple, please?
Oh,
Just shut up and staple.
Let's go
I
to
don't know about your
trying to.
snack.
Okay, there we go. It's just
I
demo.
don't need to hear about this. I don't care. Just
Can't
get the
get
work
valid
done.
price.
We can move on with life.
Yeah, there are certain terms used today that I just feel we're not allowed to use.
Why would
I
that not
think
work?
it's
Stop.
talking about
Price
40
equals
on a
stop. Price
snack,
stop.
you
Price
roll a
equal ask
entree,
minus
Dessert.
Yeah,
price.
I'm no longer a snack.
I put the price in, right?
I'm a full meal at
11.
this point.
We want it to be 11.10. That's where we
I'm
would
the
double
little doggy
click.
bag they take home after the meal.
Demo. Why?
My 30s,
Why
I
can't
might
you?
have been an appetizer.
Why does putting
This point,
divided by
I'm an
2 in
entree.
there?
As I get older, I'm just probably gonna be like a side dish.
That shouldn't matter.
Just playing on what Vesh was saying before, it sounds like he ate the whole meal.
Why does that work? That's so weird. Because it's
Still not
dividing it by
convinced that should
2.
be a child on that cruise.
He literally did not,
I'm pretty sure they had 3 kids, and now they have 2.
he did not crap once. He held in the entire time he was there. Every piece of food he ate, he kept. He did not take one shit there.
It was a family Disney cruise. They had taken their firstborn child on it. He was 17 pounds. That shit.
I
Like,
think.
if I eat him, I don't have to pay for a ticket for the park.
Yeah, and he still gets to go because he'll be inside of me.
Right.
And then he just didn't think about the logistics of this, and stomach acids do their thing, and he came out different than he went in.
Like, in hindsight, this might not have been a good plan. Feel
There
a
we
little
go.
bloated.
Okay. So let's try it. Let's try the double click.
That should be a
Click
good
if we
job.
want. So this should be a little bit more shares. Yep. Okay. Perfect.
Animals deserve love too. Dude, I will say this though, man. I feel super good about this BTBT trade, even if that's all I get today. I freaking saw that forming in pre-market. I was waiting for that break. I took it, made money.
Life is good. Life would be better if ATOS would actually just drop.
Yeah, right?
Problem is, all the averages
BTBT
moved
some
up,
fills,
so that's
lovely. With yak.
yeah.
Dollar 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 dollar.
That's a nice little drip. No, 26 by 25. Nibble through that a little bit. A little bit more. Get down to 21 again. Maybe finally break through. Make some money today. Nobody against that. Everyone else seems to make money today. Why not me, man?
Out all good enough.
You're making money.
stock's going crazy, and Vesh is, I got another one. Thomas, 2 times goal. And I'm over here like,
Yeah, then you had to go take your ball and go home, you little crybaby.
I didn't take my ball and go home.
Yeah, you did.
Down so I could focus. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, you did. You took all your great ideas and you kept them to yourself, and you traded by yourself.
I did.
Because you don't know how to share with others. In kindergarten, they didn't teach you how to share.
Very selfish.
Just like Jag. Jag keeps all the good trades to himself.
I'm in BTBT.
See? There you go, just what I said.
In a minute.
Where at?
770.
This thing fell out of bed. What happened? What happened? Are you shorting it or long it? Look at you buying this dip. Who needs no stinking dip bot?
I am the dip bot. This is my theory on these things, man. That 200, the bounce area, and that was the 200 and the 50% fib line from that move. I was like, that's gotta have a bounce.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Double
I was going to ask you what your conviction was on that.
It was the 50 fib line for the retracement, and then the 200 on the too. So those are like 2 things that I watched a lot. Figured there'd be something. I actually lucked out on the freaking. I was buying it a little higher, and then it dropped as I clicked the button, and I was like, all right, cool.
That's the same fib lines from before.
No, these are. I do these retracements to get everything down. I did one before the retracements on the move for today.
Stocked up on meat. Sale.
Dude, tonight you should go downtown and buy yourself a snack.
I need to go downtown to buy a snack. I got a snack coming here at 2:30.
Oh, is it your girl that does your skateboard or whatever?
That's what she says. She said she's a snack.
You said she's a snack too, so.
I'm just repeating the way she describes herself. I'm like, all right, well, you know.
All right, chat, YouTube stream, whatever you want to be called. I'm going to shut this down. I'm going to go get some lunch. I'm not sure if I'm going to make my video now or after bowling. We'll figure that out when the time comes. But I am going to go get some Chipotle. I've been craving it. And I have enough points to get a free meal. So I'm going to go do that. Appreciate y'all being here. Don't forget to hit that like button on the way out. If you're not subscribed, obviously subscribe. Appreciate the support. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them on the stream or on the video. And then, hold on, let me mute these guys. And then if you guys want to come join us in the Discord, find me on Twitter, all that good stuff, you can do that as well. But for now, pretty decent day. Not going to complain at all, especially after yesterday, getting over gold today. Pretty stoked about that. I will see you later in my video, and if I don't see you there, I will see you tomorrow morning. Peace.